Before installing 3D Furler, always tarp the bow and tether loose parts to prevent overboard mishaps. Add the 2 drum sections using the stainless steel hardware. Using the pre-molded top half A, add a foil and secure.
Secure and complete the top assembly.
You can now add another foil, then add the halyard line, securing one bitter end to the deck.
Continue adding foils until there is only room for one more long foil, which will be the luff feeder foil. The last foil is the short one, and then we're done. Congratulations!